There's so many lipsticks. Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be decluttering all my lipsticks. These are the ones that I've accumulated since being in Singapore. First, I'm going to attempt to count all my lipsticks. How many lipsticks do you think I have here? I think I have, I'm just gonna take a guess, like 333 lipsticks. Leave your guess in the comment section below. Also, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this video. Let me reach it. I will be giving away this Tarte's Remix palette. They have the Pro Glow palette, some foundations, their liners, a brush. So this whole set could be yours if you watch until the end of this video, and I'll give you all the details then. How do I even start? I don't really know how I'm gonna do this, but I think I shall group all of the lipsticks up by brands first and then start counting them. Wish me luck. $55 so far. 55. Let's keep going. I feel like I'm playing Where's Wally to try to find each of like the different brands. These lipsticks, these ones from Marc Jacobs, they just don't want to be organized. Look, okay. Look, stay. They're magnetic or something. They just don't want to stay. Cramping up my style. I'm gonna lay down. This is taking a lot longer than I expected, and my knees hurt. I need backup. I need help. I'm gonna get my friend Zen to help me. So it took an hour for us to group all the lipsticks, and we grouped it into 10, and I counted that there's 51 bundles of these. I have 510 lipsticks all up. Wow. I didn't even expect it to hit 500. I thought, okay, maybe 300, 400 max. Seriously, but like laying it all out like this, it's actually crazy. I'm like the crazy lipstick lady. I really didn't think this through, okay, because I was like, how am I gonna choose which ones to keep and which ones to throw away? This is a problem. Okay, let's start over here. The By Terry ones, they're quite new, so I'm gonna keep all these. I really like those. The Becca ones, yes, I wanna keep those. The MAC ones, oh gosh, I gotta open them up, but I've got one hand. Okay, that pause for now. These ones I bought, but I haven't actually got around to trying them, so I think I'll keep that. Oh my god, this is too hard. I feel like I'm gonna keep everything. Okay, so these ones I have not opened. I received them a while ago. As you can see, it's still got the wrappers there. They have like a metallic finish to them. They're the Sephora collection ones. So I think I will donate these ones. So that's going there. There's actually more. These ones are quite old, so I think I'll get rid of those. Anastasia, I think I'll keep those. I'm not gonna keep these ones. They're the melted Too Faced ones. These ones I haven't used and they're unopened, so I'm gonna donate these ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going through all these lipsticks. I'm gonna swatch a few and see which ones I'll keep. So it's gonna take me a while. So when I'm done, I will come back and show you guys my keep and a donation pile and the ones that are just going bye-bye in the bin. So this lot here I am keeping. All up there are 260 lipsticks. This pile is the ones I'm not going to be keeping, and these ones are the new ones that I can donate. So now I'm going to organize everything into these little plastic drawers. I hope all these will fit. I've got 2 of them, okay, so let's do it. Let's do it! Alrighty, so I am done. They all managed to fit in these drawers, and I feel like I actually have a lot more space for more. So I filled these ones up with just like, the black ones and the gold and rose gold ones, because I feel like that would be, kind of nice for display. And all these ones are just in these drawers. Now that I am done organizing my lipsticks, it is time for the giveaway. If you guys want a chance to win these Tarte goodies, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with future videos that I post. Also, comment below and let me know how many lipsticks you own. I will leave more details in my description box, so make sure you check it out. That's it from me. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!